Hey guys, I'm back for another video. This is going to be another fashion video. If you're looking forward to that, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hop right into the look. I'm just giving you like a semi runway look for the spring. I'm excited already for spring, okay? I live in Cali. It's like almost 80 degrees today, so I'm excited for spring. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I'm helping you today style a blazer. It's going to be a lot of pretty colors this spring and summer, so I just want to help you guys to use some of the stuff that you already have in your closet, as well as new pieces that you're going to be bringing into your closet. So this is a few pieces that I had from last year, and I just wanted to show you that it still will work for this year. Okay, don't let all of the trends just deter you from wearing any of your stuff that you already had in your closet. So this is a blazer that I got from Forever 21 a while ago. This is what I reviewed in one of my videos a few months back from last year. It's just I don't believe this is in style this year, but I'm going to still wear it because I like it and I paid my money for it. I want to get my money's worth. I got it from Shein. It gives you like this very chic, sucked in, very couture-ish look. Okay, I love it with the blazer, and then I just paired it with some of my slacks that kind of crop at the bottom, and I put on my Cinderella heels, boom, with a nice cute ponytail, bubble ponytail of course, and it works guys, it works. Like, I love this look. And then of course, to just add in accessories, I added in a cute little purse that I got from Shein as well. It's faux crocodile, which is going to be in as well this year, and I just added that with it. Like, so cute, so cute. And of course I wore my favorite Chanel dupe earrings that I got from AliExpress. Those are on all my videos, so you guys already know where I got them from. They're tagged in most of my videos, so if you want the dupes, go ahead and get them. So this is my first outfit. Like I said, I'm going to be helping you guys style blazers because I believe those are going to also be in. The only difference this year for the trend is going to be high shoulders, like very high padded shoulders look. I don't really feel that look, but you know, it is what it is. Suits are going to be in as well, but they're going to be pastel. You guys can get that, or you can just add a few little colors that you already have in your closet, and it'll still work for that trend as far as suit wise, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm hopping to the next look with this blazer. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is the second look. Okay, I paired one of my favorite fedora hats with this. I added in a nice tan color in with pink, some jeans, and of course your favorite maybe clear heel, or you can put in a look just to tie in with this beautiful tan, or you can do a pink heel. It just all depends on what you want. Yeah, this is such a cute look. It goes for, it could be a work look, like a casual work look. It can be maybe catching up with girls, your girlfriends, or you know, I don't know, anything else. But I mean, it's a cute look. I mean, well, for work, I would say put like a nice maybe cow neck, satin or silk type top, regular camisole or something like that. That'll work. But for me, I'm just trying to be a little sexy today. But you could put the tape on here for the girls that like to show the girls, you know what I mean? And that'll help you not to have a wardrobe malfunction. But I like the look. I think it is very chic. I think it really is a cute spring look. Okay. It is giving it to the girls. Alright, so this is one of the looks. This is the second look, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into the last and final look just to give you guys a closeout to 3 ways that you guys can style a pink blazer or a blazer in the springtime. If you guys can hear a lawnmower, then sorry about that, someone's cutting the grass. But I'll be right back with the third look. Third look, had to pull those down a little bit, but yes, this is the third look. I really feel like it's a spring summer look for sure. Throw on a cute hat with it if you want. You don't have to. I just love hats. And you're out the door. Now this could be a cute brunch look with the girls. This could be lunchtime with the girls, or even out to drinks in the evening time. It's still hot, especially in California. So yeah, I like the look. You know, it's not doing too much. There ain't no booty out. You know, I'm trying to remain as classy as I can. But I love the look. Now you guys could pair this also with some denim jeans, like some shorts. That would be really cute. But I'm loving the look. It just says spring and summer. Of course, you can throw the purse right with you, and you got a cute look. Okay, I'm telling you guys, it don't take much. These are like shorts from a while ago, and I could still, thank God, I could still fit them during this pandemic. But yeah, and I threw on some heels, of course, to sex it up a little bit. And it's a look, like I said, you guys could always throw on a white t-shirt with this. That'll help. Or you can throw on a camisole if you want to. It just really depends on the girl that's wearing it. You know what I mean? But what do you guys think of the look? Which one would you wear? What type of girl are you? Number 1, 2, or 3? Just depends on the style that you're going for. I love this look. It's really, really chic. So I am going to end this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, as well as on Instagram at the Fashionista Barbie. Talk to you guys later.